It's Josh from Josh Levine Speaks, coming to you live from my backyard in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm here the day after Halloween to talk to you about the holiday gift giving season, because you know it can be so nerve-wracking. We all have those special loved ones or friends who it's impossible to shop for. Be it odd or bizarre, outside the box, I just like my gifts to be different and memorable, and I bet you do too. Sometimes just a funny gift or something thought-provoking can really just make a special day for those special people in your lives. Where do I get these gifts? 9 times out of 10, it's at an estate sale or an auction. Sometimes something triggers a memory and I'll try to buy it on eBay if I can't find it at an auction or an estate sale. You know, people always love these because the thought behind them is really what matters to them. You know, sure, gift cards are safe, but not much thought goes into those, and TV and computers are cool, but the electronics become passé so quickly. So let me boil it down to 6 ideas here to help you for the holiday season. Number 1, the man-child friend. He's 40, he acts like he's 12, and you've been buds forever. Go with a toy. I usually say like a 1980s carded He-Man figure, for instance. You can find these things on $100 budget on eBay for a really cool piece I heard a friend of mine talking about, he wanted a stack of Pokemon cards that would make his day. I couldn't believe it. Okay, let's go to the woman in your life. Of course she's more expensive, so surprise her with estate jewelry. The price you'll pay for a vintage beauty at a fine estate sale or an antique store will be a 10th often of what you would buy these things for original. Tiffany, Cartier, you can find these things. Imagine a 1930s Art Deco cocktail ring with stones, for $300 to $500. Beat that, Jared. Anyway, for that man in your life, the special man, you know who that is. Can't go wrong with a vintage watch. Not only are they in style, you'll find all the price ranges. They can be such a great investment. You'll be surprised how much more affordable they are too. I mean, I shouldn't even have to tell you. It's truly a subculture that you need to learn about. Let's go on. You have a friend that likes to read, an avid reader. Sorry, iPad and Kindle peeps, but a classic first edition leather-bound book. I have made more friends with a book gift than I don't mean I made friends with them. That would be a weird thing to walk around door to door and do. But I remember finding a second edition Bram Stoker's Dracula at an estate sale for $35 and gave it away as a gift, and the guy still talks about it 10 years later. Okay, maybe a car buff. This is for an expensive. Okay, ladies, now we're in the jewelry. Your man wants a car. You can find like old Mustangs and that car you had in high school for like $5,000. If you look around and you go to auctions and search, it's out there. Let's go to your friends or coworkers, maybe something unusual, something that lets them know, I'm trying to give an example of something a mounted bat or insect, or bizarre medical devices, vintage board games, old typewriters, even like that childhood lunchbox makes a great gift. I once gave a 19th century brass microscope to a doctor friend of mine, and he cried, said it was the coolest thing he ever received. I think his wife shot me a dirty look when he did that. I paid $85 for it. The holiday season's here. I hope you give real thought to finding special gifts for the family and friends you care about. The rest can have gift cards and a new flat screen, but, don't do it at Costco. I'm Josh from Josh Levine Speaks, and I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe.